I joined robotics to pursue my career interest in the engineering field and possibly the robotics field as well. I'm a veteran chassis builder on my team, so I am the main person who builds the chassis on our robot and all the mechanics that goes with the robot as well.
One thing I'm learning now is to build a robot because, like an engineer, like some things they're more hands-on with mechanical and electrical, and I'm also trying to get into aerospace. If I learn how to do that stuff early, then my life in college will be a lot easier.
My experience with FIRST Robotics goes back many years towards the beginning of FIRST Robotics in Michigan. I was a part of Melvindale team number 5. I just remember having a wonderful time going from taking the idea of a robot all the way through competition. My work with FIRST Robotics is through the DTE Energy Foundation, where we support the organization in sponsoring events and teams that wouldn't necessarily have an opportunity to participate otherwise. In addition to the financial support that the DTE Energy Foundation provides FIRST in Michigan, DTE has many employees that volunteer with the direct teams, all the way through volunteering at many of the competitions throughout the state.
I was part of a Detroit Public all-girls robotics team, and DTE was our title sponsor. I was actually the team captain at the time, and with our sponsor being DTE Energy, they had wanted us to kind of come in and kind of demonstrate a robot to them. Next thing you know, I'm handing my business card to a manager here, and he's emailing me the next day for my resume. And so that kind of kick-started my career here at DTE at the age of 16.
When I think back to being a sophomore, not knowing what I wanted to do, after I graduated, not really knowing what the next step was, and the second that I found FIRST Robotics, I found something that I was passionate about, something that made me improve my grades. And it was the first time I was, truly energized as a student to do something fun outside of the normal, basketball or football or band. It was something where I'm like, I never want to leave this organization. It's been exciting, and I really can't imagine where my career would be without the program.